Priyank Tripathi is now telling us that top sources have confirmed that NCB has got the go-ahead to arrest Riya Chakrabarti. Big news breaking first on Times Now. Priyank Tripathi is telling us that top sources have said that the Narcotics Control Bureau, that had filed a separate case in which Riya Chakrabarti is also an accused, has got the necessary clearances to arrest Riya. Remember, today is day 3 of Riya's interrogation. Shovik, Riya's brother, has already been placed under arrest. In fact, the agency has now got his custody also. Several other drug peddlers named in the WhatsApp chats have also been arrested. And are we going to have a situation where Riya Chakrabarti is arrested today? Because the sources are telling your channel that NCB has got a go-ahead. Is this why Riya Chakrabarti will be taken for a preliminary medical checkup at 4 p.m.? That's the big news. Breaking first on Times Now. Remember, Times Now told you first about the Riya drug chats. Now we are being told that Riya's arrest is now a mere formality. Siddhant. Siddhant, if you can hear me.
Yes. This is what Priyank is confirming for us, that Priyank is telling us that NCB top bosses have given go-ahead for the arrest of Riya Chakrabarti, and she can be arrested from no time from now. So this is what we can put out for our viewers. Official announcement.
Tripathi joining us. I'll come back to you, Siddhant. Priyank joining us. Yes, Priyank.
Yeah. Well, I'll directly take this question to Priyank at this particular point. Priyank, the arrest is more than likely now.
Yes, certainly, because the investigating officers, Mohit, who were questioning Riya Chakrabarti so far, have seen so many discrepancies, which we have been also reporting since 3 days when she was questioned. What we have got to know that this particular, layers of questioning has been briefed to the senior officials, and the senior officials have come up with an opinion, because this is a very, important case. Everyone is watching. So whatever step is being taken by the investigating officers, that has to go through a hierarchy. So senior officials have also got a brief from the officers who have been questioning Riya Chakrabarti and who have already arrested Shovik Chakrabarti and other people, that they feel that the kind of answers which Riya Chakrabarti should have given, or the statement which she was recording was on her willingness. There was no force on her. Whatever statement she was giving, that was on the basis of what she wanted to say. But the kind of electronic evidence, Mohit, which the NCB has got, the WhatsApp chat exchange, which our viewers have been very privy to it, because Times Now is the only one channel which has shown these documents. What we know that post 4:30, it is very much expected that Riya Chakrabarti will be shown arrest. Now there are two things which can happen. One, that the NCB can seek her police custody. Second option is the NCB can say it to the court, because the proceeding has to go through video conferencing. There's no option today for the NCB to take her from here to the Kila court like what it was happening earlier. I'm sorry. So what the NCB will be doing, NCB will be producing her through video conferencing, because the courts are functioning till 5 p.m. today, and then the NCB might ask for the police custody depending on the scenario, or the NCB can tell it to the court that our investigation is almost done. We don't want to question her further, so ideally she should be either granted bail, that depends on the court, or she should be sent to the judicial custody. So these are three options which are available. So the exact information of the confirmation, according to our top sources, will come in between 4:30 to 5 p.m. today.
But Priyank, really two takeaways from what you're telling us right now is the fact that it largely depends upon the NCB whether they do show her as arrested post around 4:30ish. That's the time that you're giving. But time and again we've heard that the NCB really wanted to come up with an airtight case. So is that crucial evidence that that is something that they were looking for? Have they finally found it? Have they managed to secure it, find it?
There are two FIRs which is being investigated by NCB. One is FIR number 15, which is on the basis of the ED investigation, because the document which was given by Enforcement Directorate, which is right opposite to NCB office, that document is the basis of the FIR number 15. Then there's a second FIR which was a consecutive FIR which was filed after the seizures which were made. It was a big debate that whether the seizure lies in the domain of NCB or not, whether the NCB should go ahead with this process of arrest of all these 5 individuals which has happened. So what we have got to know that this particular arrest would be on the basis of the seizure and the electronic evidence. So in the case of evidence, you don't exactly need 20 kg of seizure, which ideally should have been got if you talk about the NCB, because the state narcotic bureaus,
No, so
those state
essentially,
unit,
Mohit,
the
what
anti-
Priyank is telling us, that on the basis of the WhatsApp disclosures, the WhatsApp chats that Times Now had put out, we were the first channel to put out the entire WhatsApp chats in which Riya Chakrabarti was talking to drug peddlers, alleged drug peddlers. In that case now, Priyank is telling us that the agency has enough evidence to place Riya under arrest.